In this video, I'm going to show you the easy process on how to activate follow button on Facebook. If you want other people to see a follow button whenever they visit your profile, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. And by the end of this video, you'll also have a follow button on your Facebook. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your profile section on the top left. And from here, you just need to tap on the three dots that you see besides edit profile. And from the profile settings, you will need to turn on the professional mode. Professional mode is a mode from where you can monetize your Facebook. So tap on this option, tap on turn on. Once the professional mode has been turned on, your follow button will be activated. To check it, you can tap on the three dots again, tap on view as, and as you can see, the follow button will appear. This is the way that other people will see your profile of Facebook. So that's how exactly you can activate your follow button on your Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.